Welcome back to Kamal Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will solve some problems based on straight lines. So let us start first with the last question. Find the equation of the line through the point and making an intercept -2 on the y-axis. Here it is given that the intercept on the y-axis is -2. It is given that the intercept on y-axis is -2. Let the equation of the line in intercept form be y equal to mx -2. Here m is the slope of the line. See, this line passes through the point. Its coordinates are -1 and 5. Since this line passes to the point -1 and 5. The coordinates are -1 and 5. Hence, putting x equal to -1 and y equal to 5. We get equal to m into x is -1 -2. This is equal to -m -2. This implies that m is equal to -m -2 is equal to plus 2 equal to minus 5. M equal to minus M is equal to 5 plus 2 minus 7. Therefore, equation of the line is y equal to minus 7x minus 2. This implies that seven x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line which passes through minus 1,5 this point and making an intercept minus 2 on the y-axis. Now let us solve the next problem. Next problem is find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y equal to 8 and passes through the midpoint of the line joining 6, 4 and 4 minus 2. So midpoint of the line segment segment and 4 minus 2 equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to, here x1 is 6 plus 4 divided by 2 and y1 is 4 plus minus 2 means minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 5 and 1. So midpoint of the line segment joining these 2 points will be 5 and 1, which coordinates are 5 and 1. Now this line is perpendicular to this line. So we have 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y equal to 8. This implies that 2y equal to minus 3x plus 8. This implies that y will equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus 4 divided 4 by 2. So slope of this line is minus 3 by 2. Therefore, slope of line 3x plus 2y equal to 8 is m1 equal to minus 3 upon 2. Now we have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line. So slope of the therefore slope of the line passing through midpoint, that is 5 and 1, and perpendicular to x plus 2y to 8 will be m2 equal to minus 1 upon m1 equal to minus 1 upon minus 3 upon 2, which is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line is 2 upon 3, and it passes through the point whose coordinates are 5 and 1. Therefore, equation of the required line will be y minus y1 equal to into x minus x1. This implies that y minus here y1 is 1 equal to the slope is 2 upon 3, x minus x1 is 5. This implies that 3y minus 3 equal to twice x minus 5, which is equal to twice x minus 10. This implies that 3y minus 3 equal to twice x minus 10. This implies that twice x minus 3y minus 10 plus 3 equal to 0. This implies that twice x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line and passes through the midpoint of point joining these two 6, 4 and 4 minus 4. So this is the required equation. Now let us solve the next problem. Next problem is a line perpendicular to the line segment joining 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides it in the ratio 1:2. Find the equation of the line. We have to find the equation of line. Suppose this point is A, 2, 3 and B, it is let's say 1, 0 and 2, 3. Now we have to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line and divides the line segment is to 1:2. Suppose P is the point which divides this line segment into 1:2. Let Pxy be the point which divides line segment joining 1, 0 and 2, 3 P. Let Pxy be the point which divides the line segment joining 1, 0 and 2, 3 in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, coordinates of P will be x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n and m y2 plus n y1 from m plus n. Here m equal to 1, here m equal to 1, n equal to 2. x1 is equal to 1 and x2 equal to 2, y1 equal to 0, y2 equal to 3. Now putting this value here we get, therefore coordinates of P will 1 into x2 is 2 plus 2 into x1 is 1 divided by 1 plus 2 and 1 to y2 is 3 plus 2 into y1 is 0 from 1 plus 2. coordinates of P equal to 2 plus 2 4 upon 3, and here 1 into 3, 3 upon 3 means 1. So this is the coordinates of the point P, which divides this line segment into ratio 1:2. Now slope of the line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to y2 is 3 minus y1 is 0 divided by x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1, which is equal to 3. Therefore, slope of the line, which is perpendicular to the line segment AB, let this be M1. Therefore, slope of line perpendicular to line segment AB is equal to M2 equal to minus 1 upon M1, which is equal to minus 1 upon 3. It is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So here slope is known and coordinates of the point through which this line passes are also known. Therefore, equation of the line will be these coordinates are 4 by 3 and 1. Therefore, the required equation of the line is given by y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. This implies that y minus y1 is 1 is equal to, here slope is minus 1 upon 3, x minus x1 is 4 upon 3. This implies that 3y minus 3 equal to minus x minus 4y 3. By multiplying with 3 throughout both sides, this is equal to minus x plus 4y 3. Now multiply by 3 both sides. This implies that 9y minus 9 is equal to minus 3x plus 4. This implies that 3x plus 9y minus 9 minus 4 equal to 0. This implies that 3x plus 9y minus 13 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the line segment joining these 2 points, and which divides the line segment into 1:2 ratio. So this is the required equation of the line. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.